Hello students, welcome to Gyan lectures powered by Wishback Technology. Today we are going to discuss the fabrication processes of the Mosfet. Mosfet is an active symmetrical voltage control device consist with source, gate, drain and body terminal. Now discussing about its theory, we have evaluated the fabrication process of Mosfet into several steps, and these are as follows. Step 1. A silicon wafer segment is taken for fabrication. In step 2, an oxide layer is grown above the silicon wafer. In step 3, then the filled oxide is selectively etched to expose the silicon surface on which the MOS transistor will be created. In step 4, the surface is covered with a thin high-quality oxide layer, which will eventually form the gate oxide. In step 5, a polysilicon layer is formed above the oxide layer. Polysilicon is a heavily doped semiconductor which behaves like a metal. In step 6, after the deposition, the polysilicon layer is patterned and etched to form the interconnections and the MOS transistor gates. In step 7, the thin gate oxide not covered by the polysilicon is also etched away, which exposes the bare silicon surface on which the source and the drain junctions are to be formed. In step 8, the entire silicon surface is then doped with a high concentration of impurities, either through diffusion or ion implantation. In the case with donor atoms to produce N-type doping, the doping penetrates the exposed areas on the regions source and mainly on the source and drain junctions in the P-type substrate. The impurity doping also penetrates the polysilicon on the surface, reducing its resistivity. In step 9, once the source and the drain regions are completed, the entire surface is again covered with an insulating layer of silicon dioxide. In step 10, the insulating oxide layer is then patterned in order to provide contact windows for the drain and source junctions. In step 11, an aluminum metal layer is formed above the insulating oxide. And in the final step, that is step 12, the surface is covered with evaporated aluminum, which will form the interconnections. And with this, we have come to an end of this session. And today we have learned MOS structure and MOS fabrication steps. We will meet again in our next videos with another interesting topic. Until then, keep watching and keep learning. Bye.